Gumamela is a plant that grows from 1 meter up to 4 meters high. Gumamela is also known as hibiscus, China rose, and shoeflower. Gumamela is a flower that is grown as an ornamental plant, and is one of the most beautiful flowers in the world. It comes in a variety of hues, including yellow, red, pink, white, orange, purple, and a mixture of colors. There are about 300 species of Gumamela found around the world, and they grow in places that are not too cold or hot. Hibiscus sabdariffa is the most common variation, and the red bloom of its variant is utilized for medicinal purposes, and is found in certain nutritional supplements. Gumamela flowers aren't simply a pretty flower to look at in hotter regions. For hundreds of years, the blossom has been consumed, and made into teas, in various areas of Asia, Africa, and Central and South America. The Gumamela plant has a wide range of culinary and medical use. As a spinach replacement, young hibiscus leaves are utilized. The flowers contain trace quantities of phosphorus, iron, thiamine, niacin, ascorbic acid, and calcium, and can be eaten cooked or uncooked. Flavonoids, anthocyanins, and polyphenols are also produced on this plant. Here is the list of health benefits that will surely stun you. Gumamela helps fight cancer. Gumamela includes hibiscus protocatechuic acid, which has anti-cancer and antioxidant effects, and may aid malignant cell slowdown by triggering apoptosis. This is why hibiscus tea or extracts are a natural cancer prevention strategy. In one study, Gumamela extract was found to inhibit cell growth and decrease the severity of oral cancer. In other test tube experiments, Gumamela or hibiscus tea has been shown to help inhibit the spread of prostate and stomach cancer cells. According to a study conducted by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, post on their website states, hibiscus extract is effective on breast cancer, most notably on generally resistant triple-negative breast cancer, while being selective for normal healthy cells. Hibiscus extract could supplement chemotherapeutic regimens as an adjuvant, and lead to a more efficacious treatment approach to reduce chemotherapy dosages and related toxicity. Here is the procedure how to make hibiscus or Gumamela tea. Things to be needed: 2 cups dried hibiscus or Gumamela flowers, washed it. 8 cups water, divided. 3/4 cup of sugar. Procedure: bring to boil hibiscus flowers, with 4 cups of water, and sugar. When it starts to boil, cover and simmer over low heat for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to cool down. Strain out the hibiscus flowers. Add the remaining 4 cups of water. Stir, and chill. Put it on the refrigerator, and add with vitamin C, if desired. Drink the tea 2 to 3 times a day. Hibiscus or Gumamela protects the liver. Hibiscus antioxidant qualities may aid in the treatment of liver disorders, and the prevention of disease by helping to neutralize and repair free radical damage in your body's tissues and cells, therefore increasing your energy. As a result, consuming the beneficial oxidants included in caffeine-free hibiscus tea may help you live longer by preserving good overall health. Manage hypertension or high blood pressure. Hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure, is a prevalent condition known as the silent killer. At least a high percentage of fatalities from heart disease and from stroke are caused by hypertension. Heart disease, stroke, renal failure, and early death and disability are all linked to hypertension. If hypertension is not treated, it will lead to significant issues in the long run, the majority of which would need costly treatments to address and manage. Adding hibiscus tea to your diet may also help lower your blood pressure levels, based on the findings of a study and research. Hibiscus tea contains anthocyanins and other antioxidants, which may assist blood vessels to withstand damage that might lead the blood vessel to narrow. Menstrual cramps are relieved. Hibiscus or Gumamela tea can help with bloating and women's period cramps. It has a soothing impact on the body, and aids with pain relief. It also helps to regulate your hormones, which helps to alleviate symptoms like overeating, mood swings, and sadness. To relieve bloating and menstruation discomfort, drink a cup of hibiscus tea. Warning: do not drink hibiscus tea if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have an allergic response to the tea after drinking it, you have a low blood pressure level, if you are taking the malaria drug chloroquine. Hibiscus or Gumamela is high in antioxidants. Hibiscus has the greatest antioxidant content of any herbal tea. Antioxidants aid in the healing of damaged cells. Hibiscus also includes anthocyanin, which is a kind of antioxidant, and it's been linked to lower chronic illness risk. Antioxidants may also aid in the prevention of some degenerative illnesses, such as cancer. Experts advocate adding antioxidant-rich foods like hibiscus or Gumamela as part of a healthy and balanced diet will help the body to boost immune system. Antimicrobial and antibacterial properties are present in Gumamela. Hibiscus tea has antimicrobial and antibacterial qualities that might help you feel better. Hibiscus tea can assist to combat sickness and illness by inhibiting the development of bacteria. Hibiscus has been utilized for hundreds of years in traditional medicine for this purpose, and current research backs up its usage as an antibiotic and antibacterial agent. Gumamela or hibiscus can help reduce weight. As previously stated, hibiscus contains antioxidants that aid in the removal of pollutants. This aids in the removal of excess fats and calories from the body, resulting in weight loss. Similarly, drinking a cup of hibiscus tea every day boosts your metabolism significantly. Increased metabolism also helps to shed a few more pounds. As a result, hibiscus is beneficial for weight loss and for maintaining physical fitness. Gumamela for treatment of pus. Hibiscus is one of the herbs that can be used to speed up the maturation of pus. Take a few pieces of Gumamela leaves. Wash it, make sure it is clean and dry. Grate the leaves until fine, and the juice comes out. Put it on top of the boil. This will make the pus boil to hatch immediately. Remember that it is still necessary to follow the proper cleaning of the boil, so that the infection that settles on the boil does not get worse. Smoothen the skin. Hibiscus is a wonderful cleaner for the skin. Scrubbing your face and neck with hibiscus leaves removes dead skin cells, blackheads, and whiteheads. Hibiscus oil, produced from hibiscus leaves, softens and smooths the skin while also treating rough and dry areas. Hibiscus also possesses anti-inflammatory qualities that aid in the treatment of acne. Hibiscus has anti-aging properties that help to slow the aging process of the skin. Hibiscus or Gumamela leaves have a variety of skin health advantages. Here's how to make a facial mask out of a hibiscus. Facial mask with hibiscus. Hibiscus petals or Gumamela powder is required. This item is available for purchase on the Amazon website. Next, you need oats, finely ground. Ways to go about it. In a clean container, combine 1/4 cup oats and 1 tablespoon hibiscus powder. The petals can be sun-dried and ground in a coffee grinder or food processor. Combine the dry ingredients in a glass jar with a tight-fitting cover and keep them in the refrigerator. This dry mask mixture can be stored for several weeks or months. Take 2 teaspoons of the dry ingredients, and put them in a bowl when you're ready to use them. Apply to your face gently, and let on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing with warm water. Keep in mind that herbal treatments, like conventional pharmaceuticals, may interact badly with other medications. As a result, it's best to check with your doctor before adding a new herb or supplement to your regimen.